And today's resource person, Professor Dumane, is a very senior government official who was heading the Indian Patent Office, particularly the patents and designs. My dear students, really we are all very fortunate and we are thankful to Professor Dumane ji for accepting our invitation and to share his experiences with all of you. No, Professor Dumane, such a accomplished person in the area of intellectual property rights, very well respected professor in this area, and we are very, very thankful to you, sir. Just for the benefit of all the students, just I would like to read out a few lines from your profile. Dr. Dumane is MSc Chemistry and PhD in Chemistry from Nagpur University and LLB from Mumbai University. You see what a deadly combination, you know, to become an expert in the intellectual property rights. I also urge some of the students to also pursue LLB at some point of your career if you want to excel in the area of IP, because science and LLB qualification are very, very deadly combinations. You want to make a career, high profile career in the area of intellectual property rights, that we could see from Dr. Dumane. Before joining the Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai, as a IPR chair professor, Dr. Dumane was associated with Patent Office, Intellectual Property Office, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India for more than 20 years. You know, he joined Patent Office in August 2000 as a Deputy Controller of Patents and Designs through UPSC, and functioned as a controller of patents and designs. Such a very senior position now. Whatever patents you all apply, or the citizens of India applying for patents, he was authority to examine and grant those rights, both patent and design, you know, which is a statutory authority for grant refusal of patents under Patents Act. So you have all been taught for the last week or so about the importance of patents, the importance of intellectual property rights, and the process of getting those rights. You know, Dr. Dumane was at the helm of affairs, who was examining all these applications through his team of experts and assisting the government of India in granting those patents. So that is why I said we are all very fortunate to get such an experienced person to share his perspectives and make all of us educative in the area of patents and designs. And he has subsequently ascended to become a senior joint controller of patents and designs, the highest post in Indian Patent Office, and retired on 31st May 2012. He functioned as a head of patent offices at Chennai, Mumbai, and also head of the Office of Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, Mumbai. Now, as I told you, he was rather head of the Indian Patent Office, you know, which is nothing but the Controller General of Patents and Designs. He is the boss in the country for granting patents. He is such an authority. He is empowered with such kind of authority to grant or refuse patents, you know. So we are really very fortunate, sir, to have you. And I am sure our students will get full advantage of your presence today by raising fundamental and very valid questions so that their doubts will be clarified. And I'm sure with your inspiring talk, they will get motivated, and their thought process as a faculty, as a teacher, our main focus and responsibility is to make the students think differently, you know, how to identify the IP. See, we are all living in and around IP. The moment if you make them understand the importance of IP and how we can create IP, how we can protect IP, and how we can commercialize IP, definitely they all can become great. Miss Sridevi, it is not accepted to have such kind of a talk. Please unmute, otherwise I will debar from you from this class. I've been requesting all of you not to interfere in the middle. So, so prior to joining the patent office, Dumane had also worked as a mineralogist. You know, he being a chemist, and he worked in the Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited, which is one of the leading public sector undertaking of Government of India up to 2000 July. You know, he functioned as an in charge of analytical and R&D wing and completed several R&D projects for the organization. He was also a member of subcommittee of Indian Standards Institutions. You know, we all know what is Indian Standards Institution, or a BIS now we call it. So if you want to, the quality of the product is judged by the BIS standard. He was also a member of that committees which prepares and releases standards for any of the products which comes to the consumer. So then he was also a member of Board of Studies in Chemistry, Nagpur University, and member of the committee of Lakshminarayana Institute of Technology in Nagpur. After his retirement from Intellectual Property Office, recognizing his valuable contribution for bringing in the development and reforms in Intellectual Property Office, he was appointed as a IPR consultant.
And see, like, she's gonna come now.
Chaitanya, I don't want this kind of interruptions in between. Please mute everyone.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, why there chit chat? The class talk should not come. So yes, he was appointed as a IPR consultant by DPIIT Government of India, the Indian Patent Office, from 1st June 2012, and he continued as a consultant in IPO Mumbai till his joining Maharashtra National Law University Mumbai on 10th June as a DPIIT IPR chair professor. Like me, I joined in Andhra University and taking all these initiatives to promote IP culture in our university. Professor Dumane also very passionate and very committed, carries a lot of experience and always inclined to share his knowledge with the youngsters. So we are very, very fortunate, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation. And I request you to take over and please educate all of us, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Purushottam ji, for your kind introduction, and which are full of praise for me, which I may not be worthy of. But it is my honor. It is an honor to me to join Andhra University DPIIT chair to give this presentation before the students. Am I audible? Hopefully.
Sridevi, please control.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yeah. So it is my honor to be with you and interact with students, which I always like. And Dr. Purushottam has given me the idea that it is our prime duty as IPR chair, his and mine also, to educate the students and faculties and motivate them to use IPRs, adopt IPRs as their way of education, with academic career and research also. So again, thank you, Dr. Purushottam, for very kind introduction to me. And I will just share my presentation. We will start presentation in a minute or two. Thank you very much.
Sir,
I will just I will share it. Okay.
yes, sir. Please go ahead. Sir.
Yeah, please. Is it visible? Sir, is it visible?
sir.
Open?
Yes, sir, it is visible, but you can put it in the full screen.
Yeah, that I will do. That I will do. That I will.
I also,
Is it okay now? Is it okay?
yes, it is okay. And
I will do some more.
you can put it in a slideshow, sir.
But
It-
that is.
You can click on slideshow.
I think this is visible to everybody. I hope, isn't it?
Sir, you can click the slideshow. I
Okay.
think you are showing the viewing.
Because without slides, so it is easier for me to skip some slides if I want. That's why I'm doing. I hope this should be visible to everybody.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. So, dear friend, dear Dr. Purushottam, the faculties and students, today's topic is industrial designs. To utilize that intellectual property right is one of the IPRs. And then we straight we go to the IPR. So, yes, is it okay? Is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay to me.
Okay.
Yeah,
If there is any problem, please let me know. I will just do something. Okay.
sure.
So, as we know, the IPR covers patent, designs, trademark, copyright, GI, and other things also, semiconductor level, etc. But main are these 5 types of IPRs. And very important to know that there is nothing common, no overlapping among these IPRs which you might have studied. So, briefly looking at the IPRs, patents are given for inventions, and which are technical solution to a technical problem. Designs, which is topic of today, has nothing to do with the internal or technical solution or in the mechanism. It is just given for external features of the article which appeal to eye. And these external features lie in new shape, pattern, composition of colors, line, and combination thereof as applied to article. Trademark, on the other hand, has also nothing common with patents and designs. They are given for distinctive symbols which may comprise word, name, logo, label, etc. And they are applied on article of manufacture or used for services so as to indicate the origin. Copyright, on the other hand, has also is a separate right, nothing common between patent, design, trademark. It is given for artistic creation. It's a property right, artistic creation, say drama, music, etc., novels, pictures, cinematography, etc. And geographic indication is a very separate right. For example, patent, design, trademark, and copyright can be owned by a single person or a company, enterprise, whereas geographic indication is a community right. It cannot be owned by a single person. It can be owned only by the professional body formed by the proprietors. So you will see that there is no overlapping as far as scope is concerned, because this is first stage of confusion. You may be remembering that there was a news in newspaper a few years ago that Tirupati laddus have been granted patents or Nagpur oranges have been granted patents and all that. This is misinformation because these are matter of GI. So you have to bear in mind that these all IPRs are independent as far as the scope is concerned, and as far as design is concerned, it is given only for external features which appeal to eye and for which we will see more in details. As a matter of fact, all these IPRs, most of them IPRs can be applied to single article which is available in market, and many of the articles are governed by patent, design. Patents are, I told you, for include mechanism, design, for outer shape of the cooker, for example, given here. And as it is beautified, it is appeal to eye. Different models of cooker comes, so which appeal to eye, it is a different design in that. Trademark is given by for the name, and copyright for the brochure or information which is circulated along with this cooker. Similar case is television also. So functional matters are covered by patent, whereas the loop of the TV model is governed by designs and all that. So now we come to the yes, yes, sir.
You please go ahead, sir. Someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No. So design. I would like to tell you that all these IPRs, patent, design, trademark, GI, copyright, they are governed by the laws passed by Parliament. So each IPR is governed by separate laws, and this development of IPR laws for all these IPRs have been tremendously changed after we joined TRIPS agreement, because we are obliged to fulfill certain minimum standards of legislation. So therefore, we amended our IPR law, and the design law was also amended accordingly, like patent, trademark law, etc. Originally, this in India, there was no separate law before independence. We were governed by the British Act, that is the 1872 Act, Patents and Design Protection Act, earlier it was called. Then it was Inventions and Design Act 1988, and then Indian Patents and Design Act 1911. So you will see that these patents and designs come always together as per legislative aspects are concerned. After we joined TRIPS agreement, we got a separate act for designs, that is Designs Act 2000. And any act is not complete till we frame the rules. So we have framed the rules 2001, amended 2008 and 2014. So now we come to the technical aspects of industrial designs. What is industrial designs? What we look around us, our articles, which looks beautiful to us, which go on changing their patterns, etc., their shape, etc. Same article, but they come in a newer format before us. So these are the industrial designs. So, and focus for industrial design as IPR is on the aesthetic feature of article, derived from its visual appearance. So, same toy which appears today in some format, it will be formatted, it will be prepared, manufactured in different design and come before us when we go to market. So, designs are updated regularly for the same article. New designs are created. So, the consumer market or all market for that matter is full of new design, and newer designs come every day. We come across in the market. Technically, what design means? Design is, we have already seen, that is the feature of configuration, ornamentation, pattern, composition. You just bear in mind that the new design applied on any article may contain new shape of the same article, new configuration, new ornamentation, that is alankaram, or this new pattern as applied to it, or composition of colors also, or any combination of the shape among them. So this is the design as applied to article, maybe in 2 or 3 dimensionals, or maybe in both format. For example, carpet is 2 format, or any toy or watch is in 3-dimensional format. And it is necessary that this design should be applied by industrial process or means. It means that you cannot simply paint a picture yourself and then register for designs. It should be done by manual process. It should be done in bulk, or by mechanical process or chemical process, maybe combination of mechanical, chemical, etc. But it should be industrial process to create their designs. So multiple number of patents are required to be marketed for registration of designs, not 1 or 2. And the taste is that such article, which is sought to be registered by design, in the finished articles must appeal to the eye and are judged only by the eye. Then we call this as a new or original when it appeals to eyes. There are certain things which do not which are not registered by design, that is mode or principle of construction. Obviously, this come under patents, and any trademark or property mark or artistic work under copyright are not registrable as design. They are separate laws. So there is no interference among protections so given to design, mode of principle, or comes under patent, trademark separate law, copyright separate law. So which are registered there cannot be registered under designs. So this when we say that copyrighted items are not registered designs, it means that the artistic work under copyright, which is painting, sculpture, drawing, diagram, map, chart, plan, etc., or engraved or photograph is not covered under design registration. Any work of architecture or any work of artistic craftsmanship is also not covered by copyright designs. Similarly, property mark, which appears on the article, is also not considered for design registration. So when we say that article must be there, the industrial design must be applied on article. So this article has a definite meaning under design law. That this article means that any article of manufacture and any substance which is necessary to be article of manufacture, not handmade thing, limited thing. Yes. This article of manufacture and any substance may be artificial or partly artificial and partly natural, and this article includes any part which can any part of the article which can be sold and made separately. So in a finished article, some part may be sold separately. They also are covered under article and can be registered design. We have also seen that design needs original article. So for design means original means which is originating from the author of such design, and includes the cases which, though old in themselves, are yet new in application. So any designs which is applied on one article can be applied in another class of article, then it also becomes original or new. So this is the difference between patents and design. Patent is necessary, very novel. Here, if you apply certain design on any articles, for example, in toy, same design can be applied on the banyan or any other things also. So that then it becomes original, and it must come from the author or his authorized person. So originality should involve a real mental activity. Of course, when you say that any article should be original, and application on an article, application of design on the article makes it original, such originality should involve real mental activity for conception. That is, when you think of the shape of Qutub Minar, it can be applied to different kinds of articles, as a toy as well as tea pack also. So both are registrable designs. And design right is typically called copyright in design. Although it has nothing to do with copyright, when we say that I have got registered design, it means you are copyright in designs. So there are some court rulings. There are cases which are for what is new or original. There were confusion. So it has been clarified by different legislative authorities that what is new or original, which is essentially eligibility criteria for designs. So for designs, the new is taken generally to mean as different to what has gone before, and original means something originating from the author. In the matter of novelty, the eye has to be ultimate arbiter. Means what is who decides what is original or new? This is your human eye. It sees at the article, and the determination has to be based on the general ocular impression. For newness or originality, the design identical with a material similar to other designs which are published earlier or registered earlier are not eligible. So previous publication or previous registration of the similar design is not registrable again for the same type of article, same class of article. But that change, whatever you want to make or ratio of similar design, that change should not be trivial. It's not necessary that whole design should be new. As we have discussed, if design as an article, then some part can be sold or can be considered separately. That is also new design. So when we say that design should be novel, so it rests in the application of that shape or pattern to the new subject matter. Thus, we have seen that Qutub Minar, the tea, maybe toy, maybe applied on cigarette holder also. These are all three are different classes of the articles. Article must have its existence independent of design applied to it. So design and article, they are not considered separately. Article, when you apply design on the article, the whole article is registered. Stamps, labels, token cards are not registrable designs because once the design, that is the ornamentation, removed from stamps and token, etc., only piece of paper, metal, or like material remains. So there is no registration of design for stamps, labels, token, etc. Normally, designs of artistic nature like painting, sculpture, etc., which you have seen their copyright item, are excluded from the registration of the design. Designs of industrial plans, layouts, installations are not registrable. So the design should relate to features of the shape, configuration, pattern, etc. So design applied to the article should appeal to and is judged only by the eye we have seen. Thus any design, we have just seen that design is applied to article and it should appeal to and judged only by the eye. What does it mean? It means that any piece of design, part of design which is not visible to eye is not considered for design registration. So howsoever ornamentation or design may be inside the box, then it is not matter of registration because it is not visible to eye as the box is seen or money purse or almirah. So these are not there. So anymore we have seen that these are excluded from registration, that the mode, principle of construction, operation, the mechanical device is not registrable design. Thus, when we consider the case of key, lock and key, key is having novelty. What is the novelty of the key? Only in the shape of
Sir, your voice is not audible. No voice, sir. Your voice is not audible.
Sir, voice not sir.
Yeah, no, voice is not audible. Slides are also not visible. No. No, sir, your voice is not audible. Hello, sir, we are not able to hear you. We are not able to hear you. No. We are not able to hear.
now.
Yes, it is better. Now is okay. Yeah. And also the slides are also not visible.
Okay, it will be seen. They were muted. Let me check. Now is okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Good.
I think some technical matter happened internally. So
Yeah.
when we consider the case of key, for example, lock and key. So what is the novelty of key? Is functionality.
Slides are not visible.
Okay, then let me share it again. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
1 second. Is it okay?
Yes, yes. And
Some-
put it under slide mode, slide show.
Yeah, I will do. Just give me some time. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Perfect.
I was just, now is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. When we consider the design of key, for example, except for the outer ornamentation, its corrugation or bend at the portions are not registered by design because they are functional part. So therefore, you have to give the disclaimer that what you want to claim under design. So that novel portion you have to claim, and you have to claim there are certain parts, trademark, copyright, etc. and technical functions we are not claiming under design. This is necessary while making application. There is no registration of design allowed when design is not new or original. We have seen what is new or original, and then which has been earlier published in any country. Novelty is worldwide, meaning that it has been disclosed earlier to public in India or abroad by way of publication in any mode prior to filing date or priority date. What is the priority date? When the applicant is from foreign country, it has got 6 months benefit to file in India for the register of design, keeping the novelty of this design intact. And design should be significantly distinguished from the similar design earlier applied for or registered. Design should not contain any scandalous or obscene matter also. This is essentially required. Similarly, certain articles are by nature are not registrable as design. Calendar, certificates, forms, greeting cards, leaflets, maps, building plan, medals, labels, stamps, disease symbols, building and construction of real estate, flags, emblems or signs of any country, computer icons, parts of articles not manufactured and sold separately, layout designs of interior circuits, mere workshop alteration or mere change in size of the articles, any principle of mode of construction, and any scandalous or obscene matter, these are not registrable as design. So with this background of designs, we see because when you move in the market or surrounding atmosphere full of designs. So life doesn't exist without designs because each and every article, right from the spoon you are using or a plane we are flying in, everything has a novel design and people try to get new design. For example, there is table to telephones. Industrial design is a non-separable part of our life. There's a clock, ornaments, mobiles, everything. Like biscuit bottle, bike, car, sofa set, etc. are full of design. So they are consumer products. People name the product and there is a novel design. And our mind gets perception of new design. We try to purchase that, which is new or the same one. So when the new mobile comes, which appeals to your eyes, these are sold like hot cake. So they are consumer products, variety of consumer products. Pharmaceutical products also have designs, maybe tablet, maybe syringe, different ornamentation is made on series. Then like your wash bottles and all articles are decorated or given new shape or ornamentation to attract the consumers among their class for purchasing. Jewelry design is very common, right from earrings to a necklace. There are newer designs, attractive designs, and particular ladies visit only to purchase new design regularly, and they are happy to exchange purchase new one at the exchanging old one. So because the thing of beauty is there forever, people is bestowed with that sense. So whatever looks beautiful, we go on purchasing that thing and by virtue of design. So such is the this magic of design on human mind. The textile designs also, the carpet, etc. Some wall hanging. There are so many designs available. Cosmetic designs in cosmetic, right from packaging to the bottles which contains these cosmetic material perfume bottles, scents, perfume, etc. They are full of designs. Even bottles come in different shapes. So suppose similar products is there, they will use in different shapes of bottles regularly so that people are attracted to that purchasing that article which comes in the new bottle. I would like to say that certain articles, industrial designs are very helpful to small business or startups because what we are seeing here, simple articles made of wood or other material, they are not very costly. By virtue of their new designs, the startup and business, because they lack resources and they come they can produce these articles, small articles, non-expensive, but they can get the benefit of people's like because they like newer articles. So these people like is their capital and they can benefit from that. Again, there is no limit for imagination of human mind. Human being can think of creating new design for anything. Some examples I have shown here because say somebody has prepared warm loaves of bread type, looking like a bread to keep your cold feet warm, particularly for children. Somebody has created a design for cozy bed for his cat. Somebody has created a design as attachment to his bed or sitting for their pets. This is a design for chair which contains a cactus-like designs. And then the design is a playful display of horse which is decorating your dining table. Now, when we say that there is one application for design for single design article, that is single article, it is true, but it is the set of articles which is also covered by design for design. So, set of articles comprising number of articles together also qualify for registration of designs. That is considered as one single application. What is set of articles? It means number of articles of the same general characters. We see the examples of that also. And these number of articles are sold together or intended to be used together. And they bear almost similar design, same design, even the articles are from different class. Without modification, the designs is applied all articles put together as a set. And this set of articles make one single design and can be applied in single application. For example, cup and saucer, sofa set of forks, spoons and knives, tea set, dinner set, etc. They are considered as a set of articles. But this pen set, knife set, which differ only in sizes, they do not qualify for set of articles like shown here. So the sofa set, clothes, shoes, and say dinner set, they are single set of articles, whereas these are not single set of articles because they differ only in colors and sizes only. Iconic design you might have seen and which we purchased, that is scissor, this orange cover. This was very popular design once, and it was we are having pattern also by virtue of this smooth acting, the sharp and durable, etc. technical features, and it was registered as design also. And billions of pairs of these scissors have been sold together. Still, it is very popular. It was introduced in the Philippines. Another very popular example is humble clip, gem clip, how to use. So initially, it was patented because how to put papers together, it was a problem, and somebody developed as a novel type of gem. Then it came in various shapes and sizes, and there are about 65 different types of paper clips identified. Most of them have been registered as designs. Now we come to when we say that there are millions of articles and designs, etc., how to identify them? Like patterns, that is classification, there is a classification for design also. There are 32 classes. So all designs are classified by international classification or Locarno classification. And there are 32 classes. There are 31 classes defined mains articles and one miscellaneous class referred to as class 99, where other articles which cannot be accommodated in 31 classes are put together. Again, these classes are divided as subclasses, and these classes depend on nature and function of the articles. While making design application, you have to mention the class in which you want to apply. And if there are classification wrong, the control of designs will change the classification. So you can apply in a different class. For example, if I show you the different classification, foodstuffs, articles of clothing, etc. There are some examples, brushware, there are different classes. Household. So different design, as I told you, can be applied in different classes and they become registrable. So one design as applied to different articles in different classes is a registrable design. Or in a group of articles, it can be registered also with a similar design during the course of time. So when there is a say pen come torch, this is a design. Now pen is a different class and torch is also different class. So you can apply for registration of design in the class which belong to pen, different class of torch or pen torch together, or you can find two separate applications for this type of designs. Design may be registered in respect of any of all the articles combined in particular class. So if design is applied to toothbrush, it will be classified as some different class. Where this similar design is, say, for example, applied to calculator, it can be another different class. So in short, you have to make separate application for different class of articles. You cannot combine these different class of articles together. This we have seen. So there are 31 classes and last one is class number 99. So registration of design protects your new and original design. For example, if you as a student, you might have encountered, for example, ladies use hair clips. Now previously there were pins, simple pins. Now clips came. So the functionality of the clip is not registrable as a design. The ornamentation, there are hundreds of types of clips. They are sold as a separate design. Newer hair clips come in the market. There are different mobiles, I told you, different umbrellas, printing, etc. So all this leaving the function part, all the ornamentation, decoration, they are new articles and they are sold as a new designs. So you can, if you register design in your name, nobody has a right to infringe upon that without your prior consent, and you can license that design or you can sell that design to others so that you can get money by way of royalty. This is a need for registration of designs. If you don't do that, if you don't register design, anybody can copy it, or if you don't assign or then license the design, and you do not manufacture also, that will remain non-commercialized also. So in a way, industrial designs are a great commercial value because shape or configuration of the article can often be a great selling point. You might have experienced this. When you want to purchase TV and enter a shop mall, so number of TVs are placed together, enter the shop, look at them, at design. So first thing, this appears to your eye is attractive and for you, and you just magnetically is attracted to that article. Go nearby, look at very carefully, and if it is of a good brand or advanced feature, attractive design catches your eyes, and you go in for purchase. So any attractive shape or configuration of the article is a great selling point that becomes success in business. So if there are two companies, they have come out with similar product and price is also almost similar, function is similar, then the article which will look better, more attractive, it becomes instant business success. So So the mobile which is coming from popular house, if is attractive, and the mobile which is not coming from popular house, although similar design, that will not find favor, and the mobile which is coming from the reputed house will be instant business success. In a way, protecting in the industrial designs, so there are certain advantages because good design assures good business. New designs are business assets and they contribute for protecting a company's brand. You will be aware that the Coca-Cola is successful by virtue of their post trademark by the design they bring in regularly, new design, Pepsi's, then your McDonald's, all these big brands, they are having good trademarks, popular trademarks. Along with that, there is a popular design also, and which they go on changing repeatedly to attract customers' attention. Though that is a clever application of design can extend products value in the market. Therefore, any article which was being sold 20 years back is still popular in the market because the design is still attractive. Owners can take infringing action against the misappropriation of designs, and by way of assigning or licensing, you can get sale price or royalty after that. That is the net business, net benefit of design. Now you may be you may be thinking that only design is bringing the profit to business. No, it is not true, because and only technology updation also is not enough. So combination of technology updation. So technically new product along with new design, attractive design makes the product instant success, and it should be planned by any enterprise from concept level to sales level. So before bringing that article to sale, big companies always think in what format, when in what design that new article should come before the public. As a strategy adopted by all big companies. Now the new pattern of new format of design is coming. In India, it is not very stable. That is computer icons, graphic user interface, what we call. That is Microsoft or what they look like in the computer screen. But very soon, I hope this will be a stable design in India. At present, they are not. So computer graphics or graphic user interface in digital world, they will soon get registration, although not now in India. But many companies, as also big companies, take care simultaneously patents, designs, and trademark. So all these are taken care of, and they get success. The big companies' success lie in this tree. But some companies miss this tree. So not efficiently using design. They just overlook design and bring the product in the market which looks very ordinary, and there is not enough success for them also. So sometimes innovative packaging also brings success. For example, the innovative packaging of Pepsi, Amul, Cadbury's, other popular chocolates is a root cause for their popularity in the market. Now we come to some procedure aspect, design applications and examination, filing, etc. This is, say, for example, filing of a design application is very simple. May I tell you that filing and getting design registration is simplest among all appliers. It requires very little resources, fees also less, and you need to have new design. When you just going from, say, workplace to house, you can just think of what new shape I can give to this particular article which I am having. And there comes the birth of design. If you are, say, thinking of that, even this eraser, there are so many designs are coming which children use. So like a rectangular flat, to this all your different pictures are applied on that, different shapes are there, different cartoon shapes are applied on the eraser. So they are all become new designs. So, and they are very popular also. So you think of this new design, you have to just make applications, can be made physically and electronic filing also. And this application can be made in any of the patent office, including Calcutta office, and design office is situated at Calcutta only, one office. but application can be made at all 4 patent offices, and all these applications uh, are handled by Calcutta Design Office for examination, publication, and registration purpose. So registration right, examination and registration given by Calcutta office, which is the only office for design registration. Who can apply for designs? Of course, proprietor of new and original design. Proprietor means who has created the designs. Proprietor, who can be proprietor of design, who can apply for registration? He can be author, means creator of design. He can be person on whom design has derived from the original proprietor by way of legal rights. He can be a person who acquired design or right to apply for design by way of assigning or purchasing that design rights. He can be a person for whom the design has been developed by the author for good consideration. If you are employed in the firm, in the factory, then you are bound by the agreement that whatever you create will be property of the owner or the manufacturer or the owner of the company. So per se, although you have created the design, you do not have right to apply for that, and that the owner can apply for design registrations. Application of registrations, I have told you. And one more thing has been created by the design law, that is 50% concession is offered to startups and small entity for the for filing design applications from 2014 onwards. As I told you, design can be applied for by the Indians as well as foreigners. And if foreigners have made their application in their parent countries, within 6 months they have to apply in India, and their novelty and other features remain intact. This is called priority claim. What you need for applying for registration is application form 1, which should contain full name, nationality, legal status, etc. You have to give 2 sets of representations of the article. Here, presentation of article for which you are applying for design is very important. We will see in detail that, and your application form 1 should accompany 2 sets of these sheets of representations along with fees. With fees very less, 1,000 for national person, startup or small entity, and 4,000 for other entities. If you can apply to agent also, patent agent or advocate, and there you have to give power of attorney in favor of that agent, priority document as a proof that you have applied in foreign countries, and assignment document if you have sold your or transfer your right of design to other third party, then assignment document also to be given. And you are, so for example, startup or a small entity, then you have to submit form 24 along with proof that you are startup or small entity. This is checklist which you have seen, and a substitution of applicant for, you can, when we are applied for design, you can substitute or make additional applicant also in due course of time. That is also possible. You can make assignment, then other licensing, etc. Application can be handed to third party like that. So transfer rights can be transferred and applicant can be substituted or jointly can be applied for. This is a very interesting provision because I hope you are studying copyright. Copyright is given for artistic creation, novel, any music or any, say for example, book, drama, cinematic picture, etc. And we have seen that design is given for new and original article. So both are governed by different laws for their registration. Now suppose certain article is there which can be registered as a design, say by virtue of it being new or original, but it has not been registered as design, and it can be copyrighted also by virtue of its features. So copyright exists in that article, but it is not registered design. So if you manufacture that copyrighted article 50 times, more than 50 times, then the copyright vanishes. You cannot exercise the copyright act. Now, if you have registered that earlier, then copyright will go and registration design will is existing. But if you are not registered as a design, then you will not have any design also in that article, which has been multiplied 50 times. So you will lose both copyright registration as well as design registration if you are not taken proper care. This is the interlinking of copyright law and design law. So certain things are not anticipated. Suppose you have created designs and you have exhibited in exhibition, for example, which is notified by Government of India. Or you have described the design during such exhibitions. Or you have your exhibited designs or your person, and then such actions normally is a novelty killing, normally, because you have brought the design to public before filing application. Normally, it should not be eligible for registration of design. But there is a provision that suppose you apply for design registration within 6 months of this publication or display registration, then also your design application is valid, right? And you have to inform that I have made display or publication of such design in this publication, etc. Right? And another thing is, suppose some design is stolen from you by third party. The unauthorized acquisition also does not qualify your design. Now we come to very essential part of design application. I told you you have to submit design representation sheets along with application. This type of sheet is there. So you have to produce the photograph from different angle, different perspective of the article. And then you have to give the statement of novelty and statement that you are not claiming any trademark of copyright or the patented article. This is called a representation sheet, which is mandatory to be supplied along with design application, which should be signed by the applicant or his agent. It means that this is the thing. So representation sheet is used to endorse novelty and disclaimer statement. Then representation shall be exactly similar drawing, photographs, tracing, including computer graphics or specimens of the designs. They should match perfectly with the article for which you want to register design. Dimension or engineering symbol, etc., shall not be used on the photographs. And there should not be any descriptive matter available or matter denoting on the such photographs. If your trademarks, word, letter, etc., you cannot remove them from the article, then you have to give the disclaimer statement that I'm not claiming that. Okay, so and now for the purpose of novelty, you have to say that there is a novelty in my design. That representation sheet contains the statement that my novelty of this design is residing in this shape or configuration of the article as illustrated. Or novelty resides in the portion mark, you have to mark A and B part, the novelty is there. Unless you do it, it is not examined. So the examiner will examine that part which you have claimed as a novel portion of your design. Article may be different, bigger, etc. Novelty statement you have to give for claiming the novelty of the design. Similarly, you have to give the disclaimer. Means we have seen that you cannot register this trademark or copyrighted or in functional part. So you have to give the disclaimer that I'm not claiming any such part. So this is depicted here. These are the statements. So I'm reading it because this is a design application for chair. So design novelty resides in the shape and configuration of the chair as is stated. No claim is made by virtue of this registration in respect of any mechanical or other action, or no claim is made by virtue to the exclusive use of the words. Suppose the words, letters, numbers appear on the article, you are not claiming that. This disclaimer statement is to be given along with novelty statement. So another example is, say, for example, application for design of the bottle used for automobiles. Similar statement on novelty and design have to be given. Another example is, say, for example, in the container. Here also, there have to be different photographs, the teapot, and you have to use a different statement of novelty as well as disclaimer statement also. Even the design of the biscuit is very stable. And here, for example, in this application, the novelty designs the pattern of the holes made on the surface of the biscuit. There are different photographs you have to give and claim A, B, C part where novelty resides. And you are not claiming in engraving the name. For example, parlor, etc. may be there. That name you are not claiming. Only the pattern of holes is claimed as a part of design. This such a representation of seats, because that is the most crucial part of application for design, and that should be given very correctly and precisely for claiming the design. But the photographs should be very clear, not like this dull shape. There should not be any matter written on this case if it is schematic design, and then it should not be just mere difference of color should not be there, which is not covering in the sets. You can amend the applications and represent the set before registration of design and after registration of design also. This is the simple application form. This is a very simple. As I told you, name, application, nationality, address, etc., and class number in which you want to apply. You may apply simultaneously in multiple classes. That design is applied in different classes of articles. You have to make separate application, and the class number you have to mention along with the name of the article you have to name. A very simple form like that. This application, when it reaches the design office, as I told you, it can be made, application can be made in any patent office and design office, and they all reach the design office Calcutta, and the examiner examines it. And if there are objections or any registration, means they are not novel or published earlier, containing scandalous matter, not new original, etc., the set of objection will be conveyed to applicant. So, and the period of removal of this objection is 6 months, which can be extended by 3 months. And if there are no objection to design, you are perfect, your application perfect, then it is granted, registered immediately, and there is no objection set is sent, no APR is sent. So instant application, instant acceptance of application for design registration. So there are 2 ways. Make the application for design so perfect that it is accepted as applied for, or if there are objections, you meet the objection within the stipulated time. And if objections are not made, then your is abandoned. It is said to be abandoned. It is not considered further. So after acceptance of the design as a right, what rights are conferred on the proprietor is a 10 years right. 10 years from the date of time. So, and your application fee, which you have paid, contains this fee for right holding also. So you did not pay any renewal fee for 10 years. But if you want to extend further life of design by 5 years, you can extend total 15 years. You have to pay the renewal fees for the 5 years period. So it is design is granted as a copyright in design. It means that you can use this design right exclusively. You can exclude others for using it without your authorization. So after registration of design, it is published in this format. So this is a typical say this is a design object. It is called a chase compression device for first aid something. So here class is mentioned, design number is given, applicant name is given, and priority it is there. So this is published in the design journal, which is published every Friday. After registration, design is marked as registered or R or RD, whatever you like. And such marking of registered design gives the fundamental warning to others not to copy it. And if copied, you can take legal actions against such infringer. And after registration of design, your registration can be inspected by your right to public or study purpose or any other purpose. So design certificate after registration comes in this format. Patent office gives along with this perspective of the registered designs. So design right, suppose infringed by third party is called piracy of registered designs, and there is a penalty for the such unauthorized use by any third party. Or say, for example, it is a 25,000 penalty for the first instance and 50,000 for any subsequent infringement. It is a very less penalty, and therefore this penalty should have been more. This is the demand by the stakeholders, because with this such low penalty, it can be copied very easily. This thing. And this suit for infringement. Suppose somebody is infringing your design right, then you have to file suit for infringement in the High Court only, not any. Of course, in district court, and it goes to High Court with a counterclaim. And any appeal against the controller decision to refuse your design right, you have to move the High Court for cancellation of your decision of this controller. This is called cancellation of registered design. Suppose a design is registered, High Court can be moved in two instances. Suppose design is refused to you, you can move to High Court. Suppose the design is registered and any interested person feels that the design should not have been registered, he can move the High Court for cancellation of the registered designs on the ground that registration was done earlier, it was registered earlier, it was published earlier, it is not new and original, and it is not registrable under Designs Act, and it is not registered, is new and original as per definition of designs. If you do not pay the renewal fee before expiry of 10 years period, you can extend the life by 5 years. If you failed in that, then design will be lapsed. So this lapsed design can be restored within 1 year of the lapse. So you have to make application and get your lapsed design. Appeal can be made in High Court. Now we will see some cases here, case studies. Here there was applications for crane. Design was applied for crane. Now you can imagine that shape of the crane is such that it performs certain functions and they integrate together. So the applicant has made the application for registered crane as a whole. Court held that the parts which are used for complete functionality was not registrable, so only the outer part was registrable, so functional parts were not covered under registrations, which we have seen earlier. So similarly, here there was an application for metal wrist was banned for watches. Earlier, registration was for gold bracelet of the similar type of design, and the design was registered for the metal wristband or watches. It was challenged. Court accepted that design registration for metal wristband is valid, but it comes under different class, that is jewelry, and gold bracelet is some different types of articles. Here there are interesting case of this metal incorporation. Metal claim their Scrabble code. Copyright, they claim copyright, and copyright also drawings used to create that board. Now they made this board more than 50 times, and they started selling it. As soon as they made it, their copyright vanished. And this board was not registered under design also. So both rights were lost because of the ignorance of the producer. So there was again the case where the design was article was published in newspapers, and all the functional parts were described as the essential parts of the article. And after making a registration application for registration, this was denied, refused, because it necessarily implied the function part of the article, like that. So there was a pill, a tablet, D-shaped tablet, which was claimed for the medicinal pill. It was objected to because the D is a letter and which cannot be used for depicting the design. But the court held that there was a novel application of that article on the tablet, so it was registered. Now, what is the status of registration of design in India? Very less. We receive only 12,000 to 15,000 design applications, whereas in other countries, you can see this 7 lakhs in China, 1 lakh in Europe, European countries, European Patent Office, Korea's thousands, USA, some this 47,000, etc. So very less that India lags behind in filing of application for designs, and main filing is made in India by USA, Korea, Japan, UK, and like that. So we have to increase the registration of designs filing because it is a very important business asset, very simple to conceive, simple to apply, simple to get registration, and you can change the design as you like very easily and make other application also. So there are major firms which are utilizing the design registration facility in India. For example, Sabyasachi, Siddhivinayak, Laxo, all big companies are regularly filing design application in India. So there is a need to increase design registration as a student also, as a common man. You can just think of new applications of the known designs or any article which comes in the knowledge and apply for registration. P is very small. And if you start up a small entity, is still less. And get the benefit of design registration. But there is a word of caution. Suppose you go to market and because the design is applied on the article and it's you will tempted to purchase which looks very attractive. But you have to remember that all that glitter is not gold. Just don't go by eye-catching design only. Although it is worth as I appear, but combination, that is from which brand is coming, from which technology is there, and then if it is a really good design, just get it, just purchase it, you will be benefited, right? So I end my presentation here, and then I'm open for any questions, answers, or from participants. You can put any questions to me. Dr. Purushottam.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much for your very elaborate and very inspiring lecture in very simple terms so that everybody understands the importance of particularly the designs.
Yeah.
As you rightly said, designs are everywhere around our life or in our life. So hope the students got the message. How to conceive a design, how to formulate an application for getting the rights on the design and the benefits and various other aspects related to designs. So our wish and desire is to create that kind of a awareness and that kind of a mindset in all the students who have been attending this class to So whenever you see some object around you, you should suddenly think about what you learned today in this class, you know. So that is how I think your mind will be able to conceive new designs, you know. So our objective and aim is not to make you experts at this point of time. And if you're able to have that kind of a mindset, you know, the thought process, I feel we are successful in our dream and goal.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
think,
yeah, Professor Purushottam, because for all common man, student, professor, of course, if you are student of science, you are definitely there to create some patent. That is there. But
Yeah.
suppose it is very difficult process, I understand, to create patent and apply for patent. But design is only right which any person can think of and any person can apply it very easily and get it. That is the beauty of this right. And people have become billionaire. You just think of Coca-Cola clip, which was novel designs or any other article. Because big companies will just jump upon an article to purchase it if it is novel and useful design. So I call upon all the students and other persons, think of any novel thing during your day-to-day life and apply for design. Like that.
and
Yes.
as you said, it is the very cheapest among all the intellectual
Very.
property rights. Design is such a cheapest, cost-effective IP right you can acquire.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
once you acquire it, you can also claim as equal to the patent holder, you know. Design
Exactly.
is also
Yes.
a IP. So if you write in your biodata, in your resume that you got rights, IP rights for a design, that enhances the value of your resume. And when you are a student, think of coming out some kind of a simple designs which are innovative, which are new, and which is, meets the criteria for getting that. So nowadays we can all afford to get a spend around for design. How much it is at 10,000 rupees, no?
1,000 rupees application, basic application for national.
Yeah, 1,000.
And 4,000 for companies.
Yeah. So as an individual natural person, all of you can afford to spend 1,000 rupees and get a design right granted on your name, and it's also very fast. If you want to get a
Very
patent right, it will take 4 to 5 years minimum.
It
But
is
whereas-
6 months only.
Yeah, in design, you will get your design rights within 6 months itself. So if
Yes.
you have got any idea, any of the student or any of the faculty member conceived something new in any part of our day-to-day life requirements, come to intellectual property cell of Andhra University. We will also guide you, and that also you don't
Yes,
have to spend any
definitely.
money from your pocket. We
Yes.
spend money from the university, and we get your design registered and granted to you within 6 months
Yes.
if it meets all the requirement.
And sir, moreover, this design, our website, apindia.nsa.in, this elaborate procedure, form, etc., FAQs and everything manual is there for
Yeah.
guidance of the stakeholders.
Yes.
Yeah. I have given the example of hair clip, simplest
Yeah.
one, like
Yeah.
that. Anything can be considered, anything can be applied for designers. There is, because human mind is such a wonderful thing, it can create and think of any novel things.
That is true. The necessity is the mother of invention.
Yes,
And
yes,
you
sir.
feel
yes,
the
yes.
necessity, and also you should have the ability to observe the environment around you for such kind of an opportunities, you know. Definitely our youth are capable of coming out with a different solutions, innovative solutions. But what they need is that they need some kind of a mentoring, hand holding, and putting them in the right track. So keeping that in mind, Andhra University management has introduced this course. So we urge all the students to think differently and observe the environment around you and question the status quo. You know, if you have seen something in your day-to-day life, just think, is there any better way to do the same thing? You know, that is the starting point for developing that kind of a mindset, that kind of a curiosity, that kind of a creativity. And if you think, then ideas will come. Oh, this can also be done in this way. So see that the way what you are proposing is novel, as someone has already thought about the same way what you think, you know. So if you're able to do some search in even the Google about your idea, you will be able to know whether your idea is new or not. The moment you come to know your idea is new, then give it to a shape, convert that idea into reduce that idea into practice. Once you put it into practice and you achieve that what you thought is right, then it is a worthy of getting a intellectual property right. So that is what all our effort is towards that. You people should try to understand the basic concepts of intellectual property right, how to create them, how to protect them, and how to commercialize them. If you understand the entire process, the value chain of IP, not only in your day-to-day life, wherever you join, in whichever organization you join, so that kind of a thought process is there in you, you will be able to contribute better to that organization's growth performance, or if you want to become an entrepreneur by yourself, so this thought process definitely will help you to put you in a different plane altogether compared to the normal people. So we wanted to bring that kind of a culture, the culture of thinking differently and the culture of questioning the status quo in a most humble manner with a view to understand the basic science and technology behind that, that is what the purpose of education. And we all know that intellectual property is, as per the definition of WIPO, it is the creations of the mind, from our early age, our early childhood days onwards, our parents, our teachers, they all are helping us to strengthen our mind. Our education is towards to strengthen our mind so that we'll be able to come out with that kind of a creative ideas, creative thoughts, which is nothing but what we are talking today, intellectual property, So I'm really very thankful to you, sir, for your wonderful lecture. I hope
Thank you, sir.
our
Yeah.
students got benefit out of your talk, and I request all the students, to come out with these questions. You don't worry whether it is a complex question or a simple question. You don't have to hesitate. This may be, people may laugh at seeing my question. You should not have that kind of a feeling,
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, question is always a question. As long as you don't know, if you have got a doubt in your mind, you please come out. Asking question is also not a simple thing. A lot of physical, chemical changes takes place in your body, mind, heart. When I was a student, when I want to ask questions, I used to sweat out, how to form the question, whether people will really appreciate my question or not. So all these kinds of feelings will be there as a student, but you don't have to worry about that. And you need to inculcate asking the questions also in a most respectable manner to your teachers. So ask whether it is a simple question or a difficult question. You don't have to worry about it. As long as you don't know the answer, you got a doubt, you should come forward to ask the questions to your teachers. So I urge all the students to participate actively, and getting Dr. Dumane's time is very, very rare, I would say. He is such a busy person and required by everywhere his services. But because of our love for teaching and love for education of students and helping the youth, he has agreed when I requested him. So all the students, please ask questions, and subsequently, whenever you want any doubts in your
Yes.
teacher,
Yeah.
Dr. Dumane is always available. You
Amen.
can reach out to me. I will connect you to Dr. Dumane because he is a national expert. The entire country's patents and designs, he was the authority to give, examine and sanction it. So that way, we are all very fortunate to have him with us and establishing a network or a contact with him. So please make use of it. This is very, very important. Sir, I have one small doubt.
Yeah, please, sir. Please.
See, this Nagpur apples are sold as in the name of Nagpur orange, not apple, Nagpur orange.
Yeah, no, for oranges. Yeah.
So, whether this Nagpur oranges have got the GI tag or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is good. No,
It
that
is
is what-
after, I think after Tirupati Laddu, it was next, recently, 2-3 years back.
Okay.
And not only Nagpur oranges, there are many agricultural produce there.
Yeah.
Turmeric and then rice, etc.
Mm.
And bananas from Jalgaon or like that.
Okay.
About 400 GIs are there now.
Yes, sir. There. So that is what the students should also know, because the science students have got botany, geology, environment, chemistry, physics, So
Yes.
whatever you observe in the environment society, that is what I got a doubt, no? This oranges are sold in the market as Nagpur oranges.
Yes.
So whether since I know that it is related to something geography.
Geographic indication.
And
Because it is Nagpur around 1 or 2 districts, they produce those oranges.
Yeah.
Not entire Vidarbha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I request the participants to ask some questions to Dr. Dumane Saab, if any one of you have got some doubts. But again, I also noticed in many times, people are very hesitant to ask questions.
Hesitate. For the
Yeah.
first timers, it is easy, not
Yeah.
easy. So if they do not want to ask question, they assimilate what we have discussed today.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
any on your walk of life, anything you observe, just think of whether I can find any iPad in there, maybe patent or maybe designs also. Particularly those who are from science side, they can always think of first creating the product and then design for that. Creating product in patent process, etc. And if you want to hand over for commercialization, always think of design. Without that, the market success is incomplete.
So students, if you have any doubts, please raise. I have also
I don't
noticed if one or two people start questioning, then other people are opening their minds. So I need some kickstarters who can kickstart the discussion or question answer session. Some creative students can come forward and raise some questions for the benefit of availing or getting out the knowledge residing in the mind of Professor Dumane Saab.
Yeah. So for example, you might have seen the mobile covers. You can see things previously, couple of years before, there were simple covers for mobile. Now it comes of kids, different color combination, different shape, some cat shape covers are there. These are all design creation by ordinary people, but they are instant market success. Now kid will purchase only that design which is funny for him, like that. So anything can be thought of a design. That was my added remark. So even if there are no questions, it is I understand because people may not be asking,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you just start thinking process. As Dr. Purushottam has very aptly said, you create thinking process within you. And if it is possible to convert that thinking process or ideas to some product or maybe pattern or maybe design, do it without any hesitation. Dr. Purushottam is there because we are lucky to have him as IPR chair. He's a person, we are chair NRTC. He is always there to help you for creating and commercialization of your new things and knowledge assets.
Any questions on the thought box? No.
No questions. Okay, no issue. So,
Dear students, you want us to close the session or you have some questions?
probably no
See,
questions.
as Dr. Duman has said, designs are the easiest things to get IP protection, you know. So some question was there from,
No, this is how to get money from patented design. Now let me explain. There is no patented designs. The registered design. Patent and design is there is no relation in between.
yeah,
Patent is patent and design.
yeah, patent is a separate IP and design is a
Separate
separate IP. Yeah.
That is what I told you initially. Patented, Tirupati Laddu were patented. This was not correct. Tirupati Laddu was granted registered for GI. Patent is granted for any say process recipe of any food articles for covering of shape of that is a design. For example, is the Choco bar. Novel designs. The design is registered for that. Biscuit design is registered, but not the material. It's the patented for. So if you get registration of design, as Dr. Purushottam said, the financial assistance will come from the Andhra University or some other organization. That is sure to be there.
There is no dearth of money in our country
Yes.
with the government.
Yes,
If you
yes.
come out with a innovative idea, we can always find resources for getting rights protected using the government money. You don't have to spend any money from your pocket at this point of time. Thank
Because
you.
because if China can apply for 7 lakh or 8 lakh design,
Yeah.
and we only 13,000, this is not good.
Yeah.
Yes.
A country of same size and same
Same size
population.
and population.
Uh,
Yes,
our creativity, that is what we are not able to think and convert that thought process into ideas into a IP. That is the main constraint what we are facing now. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mr. Ramsundar Rao.
No,
for-
there is one question.
Yeah.
If design is registered and after can I sell it if I get profit? Yes, you can. because if you register design, use it for some time to get benefit, no issue. And you can assign in between his design life. Say after 5 years you give the benefit, and if now you want that I should sell it, you sell it to bigger companies, they will have their rights, they will use the name of that proprietor. That's all. Assignment can be done anytime during the life cycle of the design.
See, I would like to give one simple example, Mr. Ram Prasad. Now, when you see the Coca-Cola can, and the Coca-Cola can, there is a small cap, which lid, to open the bottle. So that is a simple, I don't know whether it is a patent design or it is a patent or a design, but see that simple thing, that boy or the person who invented that Coca-Cola opener, the simple lid,
Yes.
by pressing that, he sold that invention or IP to Coca-Cola, and he used to get every day 1,58,000 pounds as a royalty on that. So he has designed that and he sold that design to Coca-Cola. Not only Coca-Cola, many companies.
It is a very interesting story.
Yeah.
That opener is a patented article.
Okay.
Opener, the can opener is a patented one.
Okay.
Because of typical functionality. But the Coca-Cola as a whole is not patented. It is not
Yeah.
patented at all.
Okay.
Because the liquid inside,
Yeah,
there is
yeah.
no patent. It's a trade secret by Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
And this secret is known to anybody. And Coca-Cola's value in the market is much more than anything by virtue of their design,
Yeah.
and the Coca-Cola bottles and their cans and all that, plus trademark. So trademark and design constitute the majority of cost, major value of Coca-Cola. So much so that you won't believe this Coca-Cola company has purchased all distillery and all the products of Bombay company. And now they are the owners of that. It's not distillery, other trademarks. And that the original owner of the distillery now also is making money because other trademarks and designs are with him, like that. So Coca-Cola design, the Coca-Cola design of bottle, Coca-Cola bottle has changed at least 5 to 6 times throughout life. It's so simple, and it is now different shape. They go on changing the shape to attract the people, like this. There lies the success of design.
Anyone else? Come out, pour out.
And somebody has asked me difference between the patent and design. Very obvious. In the beginning, the first slide I told you, patent is granted for technical solution to a technical problem. Some technological innovations, some products or process which offer some technical solution. But design is only for external features. Suppose you have created new technology-based mobile. So what shape, what look you give, that is design only, that much, not inside anything.
Mr. Naveen Kumar, you can mute. Mr. Naveen Kumar, please. mute yourself.
ఎక్కలేవా మరికే కాయదనా
Mr. Naveen Kumar, please mute yourself.
You can put a question in chat box. I'm looking at that. So, Dr. Purushottam, I think the participants have understood the topic very well and leaving not much scope for questioning. I'm happy to notice that in a different way, isn't it? Yes, Mr. Naveen Kumar speaking something? No.
Yeah, I think we can.
Yeah. We can do the,
Yeah, you can leave the meeting. I
Yeah.
think the administration part they will do it.
yeah, okay.
Thank you once again, sir, for your time, and we look forward for your continued support and guidance, so that we all will get to benefit from your past experience.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So I'm leaving the meeting.
Yeah,
Okay? Thank you.
right. Sir. Okay. Chaitanya. Chaitanya.
Sir.
Yeah, I think we can end the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.